variable should start with the character. You cannot start variable with any digits. It must be started with the character. Let me give one example, example number 4, where you must know that identifiers should not start with the integer. It should have started with the integer, with any kind of digit. It has to be started with the character. Look, for example, if I have 5 Celsius equals to 20, when I take its print of 5 Celsius, it returns syntax error. Look, as I mentioned, that identifier must be started with the character, not with the integer. Here, this identifier, a variable, has been started with the digit, with the integer. If I have 5 Celsius equals to 20, and when I take the print of 5 Celsius, it returns syntax error. It has to be started with the character, If you take its print, it will give the syntax error. So I can say that this is wrong. It is not the correct way. But what if I have Celsius equals to 20? Now, if I take its print, it returns 20. Look, this time I don't have an integer here. It has been started with the character Celsius. So Celsius is the name of the variable. It is the identifier. It is the placeholder where it holds this piece of information. What kind of information? 20 in the computer memory. This information 20 has been stored with the name of the Celsius. It is the variable name. When I take its print of Celsius, it returns 20. 20 is the information. So I can access this 20 by calling this variable name. So this is the correct way. It has to be started with the character, not with a digit, I repeat it. Always keep this point in your mind that never start any identifier or variable with any kind of integer. There shouldn't be any digit. It has to be started with any kind of character, but not any digit.